to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
This video is sponsored in part by the Sears Roebuck Foundation, viewers like you. And T is for toy trains. Remember when they used to say that at the start of your favorite PBS program? So let's ride the happy train today. Sparked on by this Mr. Rogers Aquarium car that is now part of the lineup. One of my personal favorites that makes me happy is the Williams B&O Royal Blue steam engine leading the charge. You got the Bob Ross car in the house. Bob himself's over here. Say that. Old Bob's Art Gallery's in town, folks. So anyway, yeah, the happy train is on the track. We've got Mr. Rogers Bob. What makes you happy? Beer? With friends? Here's some memory balls from the movie Inside Out. Starsky and Hutch, the old shows make you happy. Bob Ross. Maybe it's A-Team or the Sanford and Son program. Maybe it's laying the wood or receiving the wood. Holiday funny movies. Maybe you like fire engines. Does that make you happy? Then we've got a front end of a baseball boxcar. Let's swing around and capture the rest. This is kind of better, I guess. Now we have the other end of the Orioles car. The front was the Pirates boxcar. Natty Bo, Hun. Then what makes you happy? Christmas, the Wright brothers. Well, you're in luck. Maybe it was He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. We got Merman and Triclops. Woot. Maybe you like dinosaurs or volcanoes. Maybe you're an alien conspiracy theorist. Well, it's all fun. This is your happy place. Let's make some happy little accidents. Uh-huh. Sigh. You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Ta-da!